When I describe my Brave Art and Creative Wellness workshops, I usually lead with the art making. We do process art, which is just exploring art materials to find enjoyment in the process of art making itself. Today I'm going to tell you about the secret sauce that is added to these Brave Art workshops that makes a huge difference along with the art making. After every single session of making art, we write about what it was like to make it. Not for anyone else, not edited, not polished. We call it witness writing. We're just witnessing what we felt, what we saw, what we learned through the art making itself. It is super simple in practice, but the experience is profound. There's real neuroscience behind why this combination works. Making art bypasses the inner critic. You can't overthink too much when we're just playing with materials, when the outcome doesn't matter. It frees you from thinking about the end result. That process of art making loosens something within you. It gets the feelings out of your head onto the page. Then the writing catches what the art has loosened up. When you put your feelings into words, even messy, uncertain, half-formed, gibberish words, the part of your brain that reacts to emotions starts talking to the part that thinks and reasons. That conversation is what turns the chaos of our inner lives and our brains into something you can actually hold. That's what processing emotions is. Psychologists call it affect labeling. I call it feeling without drowning in the feeling. We write for a short amount of time, usually about 7 to 10 minutes. Once it's written, you don't have to hold on to it anymore. You can set it free, you can let it go, and you can move forward. Your brain treats unexpressed emotion as unfinished work. It keeps running in the background, looking for resolution that never comes. Writing completes that loop. Not because you figured anything out, but because you gave it somewhere to land. The art opens the door. The writing lets you walk through it. This is what we do in the Brave Art and Creative Wellness workshops. We set an intention, we make something, we write about it, and we share if you want to. 5 weeks, live on Zoom, never recorded. It's a moment in time to dip in, leave some things at your feet, and go back to real life, lighter, less stressed out than you were before. The writing is always just for you. Write without any filters, without holding back at all. After you've written, you can choose if you'd like to share. If you're watching this shortly after I've posted it, you'll know it starts next week, the week of April 20th, 2026. There's a link in the description if you'd like to join us.